Fiat Topolino, New Villebrequin Collector's Edition. The Fiat Topolino New Villebrequin Collector's Edition proves that city cars don't have to be boring. Inspired by the Mediterranean Riviera, this limited edition micro EV blends stylish beach vibes with everyday practicality. It features a 100% electric powertrain, an 8-horsepower motor, a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour, and up to 75 kilometers, 47 miles of urban range, perfect for short city trips. Exclusive details like the two-tone paint, teak-style flooring, soft top roof, and even a built-in beach shower make it truly unique. Starting at around €13,490, about $15,500, it's less about speed and more about enjoying every journey with unmistakable Italian charm. Wuling Aira EV. The Wuling Air EV proves that big innovation can come in a surprisingly small package. Built for busy city streets, this compact electric car makes parking effortless while offering a quiet and comfortable ride. Depending on the version, it features a 30 to 50 kilowatt electric motor, a 17.3 to 28.4 kilowatt hour LFP battery, and up to 300 kilometers, 186 miles of range with a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour. Despite its tiny footprint, the cabin feels modern and practical for everyday commuting. Starting at around $8,500 to $10,300, it's one of the best value urban EVs on the market. AXM Nouvelle Gamme. The AXM Nouvelle Gamme proves that compact city cars can still feel surprisingly premium. Designed for drivers who want easy urban mobility, this latest lineup combines modern styling with upgraded technology and everyday practicality. Depending on the model, you can choose electric or diesel power, with the electric versions offering up to 113 kilometers, 70 miles of range and a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour, 28 miles per hour. Inside, you'll find a new panoramic digital display, touchscreen infotainment, and advanced safety features. Prices typically start at around €9,000 to €12,000, depending on the trim, making it an attractive choice for efficient city driving. Fiat New Topolino Sport Collection. The Fiat Topolino Sport takes the charming little Topolino and gives it a surprisingly sporty personality. This limited edition micro EV keeps the same 8-horsepower electric motor, 75 kilometers, 47 miles of range, and 45 kilometers per hour, 28 miles per hour, top speed, but adds matte black wheels, black trim, special sport badges, and upgraded black sport seats that make it look far more aggressive than you'd expect. At just over 2.5 meters long, it's incredibly easy to park and perfect for city streets. Starting at around €11,490, about $13,000, it's not about raw performance. It's about turning every short trip into a fun, head-turning experience with unmistakable Italian style. BAW Pony. The BAW Pony is proof that fun, affordable electric driving doesn't have to come in a full-size package. This tiny four-seater is built for city life, making tight streets and crowded parking lots feel effortless. It packs a 26-horsepower electric motor, a 13.7 kilowatt-hour battery, delivers up to 205 kilometers, 127 miles, of range, and reaches a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour. Despite its compact size, it offers modern features like a digital display and infotainment system. Priced at around $10,000, the BAW Pony is an economical and surprisingly practical choice for everyday urban commuting. Aventon Level 4. The Aventon Level 4 is built for riders who want to replace more car trips with a smarter, more capable commute. Its powerful 750-watt rear hub motor delivers up to 1,440 watts in boost mode with 80 Newton-meters of torque, while the 733 watt-hours battery provides up to 75 miles of range on a charge. One standout feature is regenerative braking, which can recover energy on descents, along with built-in 4G GPS tracking, remote locking, and motion alerts for added security. Starting at $1,999, the Level 4 combines power, comfort, and cutting-edge technology into one impressive commuter e-bike. Wuling Bingguo EV. The Wuling Bingguo EV is one of those electric cars that instantly makes you smile. Its retro-inspired design gives it plenty of personality, while the spacious cabin and practical layout make it perfect for everyday driving. Powered by a 50 kilowatt, 67 horsepower electric motor, it offers up to 333 kilometers, 207 miles of range with the 31.9 kilowatt-hour battery, reaches a top speed of 120 kilometers per hour, 75 miles per hour, and supports DC fast charging from 30% to 80% in about 35 minutes. Starting at around $10,000 to $12,000, market dependent, it's a stylish, affordable e-vi that delivers far more than its compact size suggests. Smart Fortwo 0.8 CDI. The Smart Fortwo 0.8 CDI proves that great things really do come in small packages. Designed for crowded city streets, this tiny two-seater can fit into parking spaces most cars would pass by. Under the rear hatch is a 799 cubic centimeter 3-cylinder turbo diesel engine producing 45 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed automated manual transmission. Its biggest strength is efficiency, delivering an impressive 3.4 liters per 100 kilometers, around 69 miles per gallon US, while reaching a top speed of about 135 kilometers per hour, 84 miles per hour. Originally priced from around 11,600 euros, it's an economical city car that's surprisingly practical, fun to drive, and incredibly cheap to run. Envo Vimo. The Envo Vimo is unlike anything else on the road. It blends the efficiency of an e-bike with the comfort and weather protection of a compact car. This fully enclosed electric velomobile features a 750-watt rear hub motor with 80 Newton-meters of torque, a 48-volt 15-ampere-hour removable battery, and delivers up to 100 kilometers, 62 miles of range with a top speed of 32 kilometers per hour, 20 miles per hour. Its ergonomic recumbent seat, cargo space, and bike lane-friendly design make daily commuting far more enjoyable. Priced at around $9,799, the Vimo is a futuristic, zero-emission vehicle built for practical urban travel in any weather. MoonBike. The MoonBike is one of the most exciting winter machines you'll ever see. Instead of a bulky snowmobile, it offers a lightweight, all-electric ride that's quiet, agile, and incredibly fun on snowy trails. Powered by a 3-kilowatt electric motor, producing up to 170 Newton-meters of torque, it reaches a top speed of 42 kilometers per hour, 26 miles per hour, and delivers up to 35 kilometers, 22 miles, of range on a single battery, with optional dual batteries extending ride time. Weighing only 82 kilograms, 182 pounds, it's easy to transport and handle. Starting at around $8,900 to $11,999, the MoonBike is a thrilling, eco-friendly way to explore winter landscapes.